Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mona and today's hair video is going to be about this Revlon one-step hair dryer. I've had it for 8 months now and I've used it so many times. It's so quick, so easy with my curly hair that it takes me 20 minutes in and out with very wet hair. So if my hair was dry, maybe 10 minutes max. So I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. I hope you enjoy. Keep watching. So yeah, this is it. This is the final look with the Revlon One Step Styler. A few things you guys should know is that my hands started hurting after 20 minutes of using this because this arm right here is kind of very thick. So when you grip onto it for 20 minutes, it can strain your hand for a little bit. Another thing is that this barrel or the head of this is really big, which is great because it dries your hair a lot quicker than, you know, most blow dryers out there, but that also means that it has a lot of heat going directly to your hair. So I like to lower the setting that's back here to low air or cool air sometimes when I'm trying to style the bottoms because I don't want to give too much heat to my hair. But yeah, other than that, like you guys can still see the shine in my hair. It doesn't have as much volume like that I'm used to with my Conair or my Dyson, but this is more of a tool that I'll reach for when I have like no time. I just want to get a quick blowout look done. But yeah, this tool is like one of those tools. It's not a must-have, but it's good to have. So I would say that I haven't noticed anything different in my hair. It's, you know, my bottoms look like there are no split ends, which is shocking because I have so many. The top isn't frizzing, so I don't have to use a straightener, which is amazing because I only like using one tool at a time. I don't like putting unnecessary heat if I don't need to. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. And if you guys haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so and show your girl some love. See you soon.